and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be the unboxing of my March Allure Beauty Box. So I know I recently just did the February box. I got mine really late, almost actually into March, and now I received my March box. So I'm going to be sharing the unboxing of all the products I got this month in my Allure Beauty Box. So why don't we go ahead and get started. Beauty box in the mail today, and like I was saying, I just unboxed my February box, so if you guys want to watch that, I will have it linked down below. But I am now into the March box. I actually got it obviously a lot earlier than I did with the February box, so I'm going to be sharing what came inside of my box this month. If you guys are new to the Allure Beauty Box unboxings, it is a monthly subscription service that is $15 a month. There are normally like some sample size products as well as full size products in these boxes. I will have the link to sign up down below in case you're curious, but let's go ahead and start opening this month's box. So here is the card right here. It always comes with like this little booklet, which I think is really nice, and it kind of just talks about each of the products that you're receiving, the prices on them, and everything like that. So the bag this month is a white bag. Here's what it looks like. Last time my bag had like a thing right here that was split open, but it looks like this one's pretty good. It also has the little flap here. So I'm going to open it up. It looks like we've got quite a few products this month. So the first one I'm seeing is a product from Belif. I love Belif's products. Their eye balm is one of my favorites ever. This one is actually the True Cream Aqua Balm. So this one is like their moisturizer, and this one is just like a sample size of that, but it's a pretty good size. I feel like you'll get a decent amount of uses out of this sample size of that. And so up next in here, we have something from Derma E, which again, another one of brands that I really like. It looks like we have quite a few skincare products in here this month. This is their microabrasion scrub, and here is what that looks like. Again, this is just like a sample size of that. I don't think that these are like sample sizes per se. They're more of like a deluxe sample size. So this one says that you apply to wet skin, generously scrub desired areas in circular motion for 1 minute, pat and dry warm. This one is going to be more of like an exfoliating scrub. I think I have tried this one. I can't remember 100%, but I do love a lot of Derma E's products. Up next in here, we have another skincare product. This one is from Mamad. This is their Rose Water Toner. Again, a deluxe sample size of that. We did get something from Mamad. I think we had 2 different products from them in the February box, so we do have another product from them in this box as well, and this is again a Rose Toner Water. Up next, we have another little mini. This one is from Biosense. This is the Sequin and Hydro Rose Base Vitamin C. So I think that this is a vitamin C oil. It says a rose oil. So this one is definitely a very small little sample size here, but with it being an oil, you probably can get quite a few uses out of this, considering you probably only need a few droplets. So this again is a vitamin C rose oil. It says it will brighten, firm, and even your skin tone and texture. So there's that. And then we also have in here, this one looks like a full size. So this one is from, who is this from? So this one is from Au Naturel. It's a cream matte stick. So a multi-stick cream. Out, it looks like it's going to be a blush stick. So here's what it looks like, and I will go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I don't always necessarily love cream blushes. I want to try to get into them more, but I just don't really use them a ton in my daily routine. But I know a lot of people do enjoy cream products, so it's kind of just like a cream blush. This one, again, is a full-size product. And then up next, we have something from Acure. This one is the Seriously Smoothing Blue Tensity Night Oil. So another skincare product. There's a lot of skincare products this month. So let me show you guys what this looks like. So it says the Soothing Night Oil. So here is that. It actually doesn't have any writing or anything on the actual bottle. It just has like the actual product. So it says that this is gonna help with smoothing and also hydration for the skin. And then it looks like we have one last product in here this month, and this one is a hair care product. So this is from Amika. This is their Soothing Balm, or the Smoothing Balm. So here's what that looks like. And this one's like a deluxe size, more of like a travel size. So it says time to frizz in submission, lock in softness and smoothness. So humidity can't undo what you've done. So extremely lightweight, non-sticky. This is a smoothing balm, leaves hair soft, shiny, and frizz-free. So I think that this is just gonna help with like giving you more smoother hair, you know, kind of get rid of those little frizzies. I know I need that for sure. I haven't really tried a whole lot from Amika. We've gotten a few products now from them in these boxes, and so I've been always curious about the brand. I always hear really good things about it. So again, a smoothing balm. Lots of skincare this month for sure. We only had the one makeup product, which was the blush. Everything else was skincare, and then we had the hair care product, which I don't mind. I love trying out new skincare products. I don't mind that they are sample size, because with skincare, I feel like as long as you have enough to test it out for a few weeks, and I think a lot of these are like deluxe sizes, so I think that you do have enough to kind of give them a go for a few weeks and see if you see a difference in your skin, enough to purchase the full size. So I am going to go into a little bit on the prices of everything. So for the blush stick, that was the only full size product we got, and that one is $35 for the blush stick. The rose toner, the full size is $23, and then the oil, the full size of that one is $72. So that's obviously going to be a little bit more high end because it is a skincare product. The microabrasion scrub, the full size is $32. The Belief Balm, the full size is $38, and the Amika, the full size is $25. So obviously with the products, you know, those are more full size. You can't really base that on the price of the box, but it is only $15 for the box, and you got quite a few products in there. And if you do account for the full size product, this alone was $35. So definitely curious to see your guys' thoughts down below, or what you guys got in your Allure Beauty Box. Just let me know down in the comment section. Also give this one a thumbs up if you do enjoy these unboxings. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Bye, friends.